Good morning, everyone. Today we will see what are points, what are rays, what are lines, and what are line segments. So let's continue this class with points. So here, points. So it's just a dot. A point is an exact location or position. Can you see this position in the middle? Yes, so point is just a dot in space. Now, next one we have is a line. A line is straight and continues in both the direction. Can you see here? Here is an arrow pointing towards that way and pointing toward down. So here this line continue upward and continue downward in both the direction. This is called line because line can never discontinue. It go on and on and on. Next we have is line segment. And a line segment is a part of a line. If you think about the line has gone on and on in both the direction, but line segment is just a small piece of line and it has two endpoints. Can you see here over here the one endpoint? Can you see where it begins, and can you see the second endpoint over here? It's just a piece of that line. So line segment is what? Line segment have two endpoints. Now let's talk about ray. Next we have ray. So ray is a part of a line that has one endpoint and it continues in one direction without ending. So can you see? This is beginning point, this is the end point, but there is a arrow which shows that it continues. We have a end point that is representing by the dot, or we can say a point. So that means the ray is beginning from this point, but it continues to on and on, means it never ends. Like here, the arrow is showing over here. This arrow tell us that the ray never end and it continue in this direction. If you see the second ray, then on the right hand side you will see the point. That means it will start from that point and it continues in the left hand side direction. If you see the last arrow, you can see that it start from the left hand side, which shows the point, and it continue on the right hand side. Now let's revise all those line segment, ray and point again. So this is point. A point is what? A point is an exact location or position. Now next is line. Line is what? A line is straight and continues in both the direction, means it never ends. We cannot say the line starts from this place and it ends at this place. We cannot give this statement for this line. So line is something that continues. It never ends. So can you see we have here the horizontal line and we have here the vertical line. So basically, the standing line is called the vertical line and the sleeping line is called the horizontal line. Here, now line segment. So line segment is what? A line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints. Like in line, we don't have any endpoints. But in line segments, we have two endpoints. Means the starting point and the ending point. Thank you. We will study how we can measure line segment. So let's start. We use ruler or scale to draw and measure the length of line segment. So here it has marking in centimeters. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 smaller divisions, and each division is equivalent to 1 by 10th of centimeters, which is called millimeter. 1 millimeter. So 1, you have to remember this, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now let's see how we can draw a line segment. Draw a segment of 4.8 centimeter. So this can be done in 3 steps. Step 1, take a ruler and mark point N at 0 centimeter on ruler. Step 2, mark point N such that it coincide with the eighth division after the 4 centimeter, because it is given 4.8. So after 4 you have to see the eighth division. Step C. Step 3, now join the MN to form a line segment. You have to draw it with the help of pencil and mark it as 4.8 centimeters. Now let's solve the another example. AB segment of 7.7 centimeter. So we have to draw a line segment AB 7.7 centimeter. You have to mark A point at 0 and mark B point at just after 7. You have to write this as 7 divisions because it's 7.7. So AB is equal to what? 7.7 centimeter. After learning about how to draw the line segment, now focus on how we can measure the length of line segments. Let's measure MN. MN. Now how we can measure it? You have to keep 0 of the ruler at point M, and now you have to count forward from 0 to 15. So look here, the point N of the segment, it coincide with the sixth division of the 10 centimeter on the ruler. So thus we can say that segment MN is 10.6 centimeter. Why 0.6? Because it's sixth division. We read it as length of line segment MN is equal to 10.6 centimeters. We write it as shown like this. Now let's solve the another example, XY. So XY, you can see it is three segment, three division after 5. So you can write it as 5. Thus, we can say line segment XY is 5.3 here. Here is XY line segment is equal to 5.3 centimeter. But for writing this, you have to see that XY or over the XY, you have to draw a small line that shows you the line segment. Okay. If we talk about the line, then you have to draw the arrow. Means like on the line, you have to draw the arrow at the beginning and at the ending point, but it's a line segment and there is no need to draw the arrow. You can simply draw a line over the XY, and if it is given MN, then you have to draw a line over MN. If it is given AB, you have to draw a line over AB, and after equal to, you have to write the numbers like 5.3, 5.4 centimeter. This is how you can measure the length of line segments. Thank you. This is how you can measure the length of line segments.